Every morning you wake up feeling drained, telling yourself, tonight will finally be different. And yet it never is. Not because you lack discipline, but because nobody has ever shown you what really happens to your body between the moment you close your eyes and the moment you wake up. Here's the truth. Your body doesn't heal itself automatically. Recovery doesn't just happen. It has to be prepared for. And that preparation starts hours before you even hit the pillow. Today I'm giving you a step-by-step evening routine that can completely transform your nights, and in turn, damn. Step 1. Stop eating at least 2 hours before bed. Late-night snacks may feel harmless, but the moment you eat, your body shifts into digestion mode. Blood rushes to your stomach, core temperature rises, and your entire system goes into work mode. Deep, restorative sleep requires the opposite, a body at rest. When you eat too close to bedtime, your body is busy digesting instead of repairing. The fix? Give yourself a 2 to 3 hour window between your last meal and sleep. Let your system wind down naturally so your body can truly rest. Step 2. Reduce blue light exposure. At night, your brain has one mission: produce melatonin, shut down your body, and trigger recovery. But every phone scroll, every bright screen disrupts this process. Melatonin is the key chemical that guides you into deep sleep. Turn off screens at least an hour before bed, dim the lights, and let your brain feel the darkness it needs. Step 3. Take a cool shower and practice simple skincare. A cold shower draws blood to the surface of your skin. When you step out, your core temperature drops, signaling your brain. Skincare isn't vanity, it's restoration. Your skin goes into repair mode while you sleep, clearing dead cells and rebuilding collagen, reversing damage from the day. 10 minutes each night is all it takes to give your body the tools to heal. Step 4. Reflect on today and plan for tomorrow. Most people end their day and simply move on. No reflection, no learning. Your brain only grows when you review your experiences. Take a notebook, jot down what went well, what didn't, and what you do differently. Then list your top 3 priorities for tomorrow. The 3 things that will actually move your life forward. When everything is written down, your mind is free. No racing thoughts, no loops, just calm. And that calm is where deep sleep begins. Step 5. Go to bed at a consistent time. Your body runs on a clock called the circadian rhythm. It doesn't care about your schedule, it cares about consistency. Sleeping at different times every night keeps this clock confused. Fix it. Choose one bedtime and stick to it every night. No excuses. Within days, your body will start shutting down naturally. A fixed sleep schedule isn't just a habit, it's a promise to your biology. Now you have everything you need. What you do next is up to you. Most people will watch this video and return to the same old patterns. Some people, however, will take action tonight. That choice right now is what separates the two. If you're ready to transform your nights and your days, type "I'm ready" in the comments and subscribe to Mindzello, where real change begins.